All right, good morning everyone. It is Friday, April 24th, 2020, and we're looking at the S&P 500 futures market. We're in a little bit of a choppy area here on the daily. I don't have anything too specific. We had bounced off that 38 retracement I talked about yesterday, and really we have to break up or down in order to have a more clear picture of what's going to happen. On my 4-hour here, we did bounce off of, if I zoom in here, this leg from down here up to here. We did bounce off the 61.8, had a little bit of a probe through it, and there's the bounce. We also had bullish divergence, so this isn't surprising. I also got bullish divergence on my hourly. So it wasn't surprising we pushed, but now here we are. Do we break the high up here? Do we come down and test the lows? And if so, then I think we have some larger targets to look for on the downside. These are some extensions from this leg right here. These extensions work great. Price a lot of times will come up, bounce off of a 38 retracement of that leg, and then start coming down right to these levels. So I like those, and I like the fact that my 61.8 extension lines up exactly with my 38% retracement for this whole leg. So, and that's right here at 26.30, this level I've been talking about for quite a while. So look out for that on the downside. On the upside, again, I have an extension up here that lines up pretty much with these highs. So if we break up and we can break that 28.88 area, then it, wouldn't be surprising if we were to extend up to this general area for a smaller target. Let me jump down to my hourly just to see what it's telling me. Again, there's really not much. We have these retracement areas on smaller legs. And then here we are again in all this crap. There's no real clear signal even right now off of this high telling me which direction it's going to break. So there's not much to be said. One thing that can be said is this leg that pushed down, if you were to zoom in on it, you've got like you actually do have a bearish divergence here at the 61.8 retracement. So I might have to eat my words there for a second and point out that there actually is a bearish divergence off this high on the smaller time frames. So maybe into the open we will see a bit of a pullback here to retrace this leg, and I'll draw the fib on the smaller time frames so that we can get some pullback levels. So in the very small time frames, it would not surprise me if into the open here in the next 15 minutes we do pull back a little bit. So if we do pull back, some levels to look for on these shorter time frames, the 38 retracement, right? The 50% retracement, and they're all lining up with some decent prediction point levels I have, which I really like. So look out for those. And other than that, I'm not going to make this video too long. We really have to wait and see. I'd like to see a breakout of one of these levels for larger targets. Have a great rest of your day, guys, and stay nimble.